Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Allen wrench sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TEKTON Hex Key Wrench Set. As Amazon's choice for the best Allen key set with thousands of happy customers, the economical TEKTON Hex Key Wrench Set has 30 tools, 15 long arm wrenches, and 15 short arm wrenches, ranging from sizes 0.028 to 3/8 of an inch. The wrenches are finished in black oxide for durability, and the compact hard storage case keeps everything neatly tucked away with clear size markings where each tool should go. It has been a lifesaver so many times, reported one customer who has had this set for 4 years. It has every size you would ever need, and they are always very neatly in order, so it's easy to tell if one is missing. I am coming back to buy a second one for our vacation home. Moving on at number 4, we have the EFFICERE 30-piece Premium Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. No, you're not seeing double. This 30-piece EFFICERE Hex Allen Wrench Set is almost identical to the TEKTON set above, just slightly cheaper. The difference seems to be the case, which some customers reported as not super sturdy and doesn't hold the bits in place as securely as the original, but one customer helpfully suggested putting a piece of tape across it all in the inside. Problem solved. The tools themselves, however, are extremely hard-wearing and durable as they are made from chrome vanadium steel, so if you're looking for a budget set that has both SAE and metric measurements, and gets the job done, you can't really go wrong with this kit. At number 3, we have the Hurricane 25-piece Folding Allen Wrench Set. A good set of compact bike Allen keys is a must for avid cyclists or anyone who commutes on a bike, as you don't exactly want to lug a whole toolbox with you on a bike ride, but being prepared for emergencies is important. These 3 Hurricane folding hex keys are ideal as they take up minimal space in a bag. Each tool folds up neatly and compactly, like a pocket multi-tool, and the 3 of them together have an impressive 25 different tools for an array of fixes that could arise. What's more, the keys are made from chrome vanadium steel with a black oxide finish for maximum durability, and the bodies are made of rubber for a solid, comfortable grip. At number 2, we have the TEKTON Ball End Hex Key Wrench Set. The ball ends of the tools in this set of metric hex key wrenches by TEKTON are designed to fit socket cap screws so that you can reach an offset angle of 25 degrees to get into tighter and hard-to-reach areas quicker and easier. This kit has 13 pieces made from chrome vanadium steel with a black oxide finish and are built to last. But if something does happen to them, as one happy customer confirmed, the company's warranty covers it. If you break something, just take a photo of it and send them an email, and they'll replace the tool for you, they wrote. And finally at number 1, we have the Powerbuilt 9PC Torx Star T-Handle Hex Allen Key Wrench Set. Moving on slightly from your standard Allen keys are T-handle hex wrenches that have a convenient handle for easier turning on those much harder projects. It's likely you won't need a set like Powerbuilt's 9-piece Torx Star Kit for assembling flat-pack furniture, but for more industrial uses in garages and on work sites they are ideal. Sizes range from T10, 4.5 inches, to T50, 11 inches, and the top handles move side to side so you can fit in even the most awkward spaces. The set comes in a storage rack, perfect for easy access on a worktop or cart. One mechanic explained, the T shape with the rotating handle gives great leverage and allows for a well-controlled turn. The secondary function allows for the top to be slid to the left or right and be used in an L shape for even better turn leverage or torque. It was a great value and it's taken a good beating from me while working on a 26-year-old vehicle. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.